The next letter of Urdu alphabet is Toe. Toe. It is used in Arabic words. In Arabic, the pronunciation of Toe is different from Urdu, and nearly all the Urdu speakers pronounce it as t, t, t. So we need not learn here its Arabic pronunciation. We will use it as ta. And let's take some words. Tab, toy plus bay. Toy plus bay. Actually, it is zir here. Toy zir, toy zir, tip and bay. Tip. Toy zir tip and bay. Tip. Tip. It is written this way. Tip. Toy and bay are written together. Tip. You have seen that most of the letters change their shapes when they are connected to other words, other letters. But there is no change in shape of toy. It is same. Tip. And toy never changes its shape, be it in the beginning of the letter, beginning of the word, or middle of the word, or at the end of the word. It never changes its shape. So, tip. Tip means medical science. Tip means medical science. Be zabar ba, to zabar ta, and khe, batakh. Be zabar ba, to zabar ta, and khe, batakh. It is written this way. Here, toy is in the middle of the word, but its shape is not changed. You see, the shape of toy is not changed. Batakh. Batakh means duck. Batakh means duck. Now, let's take another word. Khe zabar kha, and toy khat. Khe zabar kha, toy khat. It is written this way, khat. You have seen that toy is at the end of the word, but its shape is also not changed. Its shape is the same. Here, khat. Khat. Its shape is not changed. Khat. Toy never changes its shape, be it at the beginning of a word, or in the middle of the word, or at the end of the word. Khat. Another letter is similar to toy is zoe. The only difference between toy and zoe is there is a dot on toy. We put a dot on toy and it becomes a zoe. Zoe. Its sound in Arabic is different, but most of the Urdu speakers pronounce it as z sound, z sound, the sound of z. So, like toy, zoe also never changes its shape. So we take three zoes. Zoe plus zoe plus zoe, and all the zoes are here. Zoe in the beginning, zoe in the middle, and zoe at the end. So it never changes. Zoe also never changes its shape.